Slim Dell 65W 19.5 volts 3.34 AAC adapter for Dell model numbers, Dell Latitude E5500, Dell Latitude E5500N, Dell Latitude E5510, Dell Latitude E5510N, Dell Latitude E5520, Dell Latitude E5520 meters, Dell Latitude E5530, Dell Latitude E6220, Dell Latitude E6320. Compatible with Dell P.N., PA12, HA65NS2-01, LA65NS2-01, DA65 New Mexico 11100, LA65NE100, FA65NE100, PA2E, 310-2860, 928G4, A00008, AA22850. Premium quality laptop charger. Top reviews from the United States. Shipping was fast and I needed it fast. Power cord was for my laptop, good product and shipping was fast. Perfect replacement. Arrived quickly. Exactly what I needed to replace original cord. Perfect for my laptop. Nothing to dislike. It works very well for my computer.